Good morning, friends. Grace and I hope you're having a great day out there in your gardens. We wanted to give you an update on how our zinnias are doing that we propagated exactly 21 days ago. So 21 days ago, we took side cuttings off of these beautiful floret alpenglow zinnias. I placed the cuttings into rooting hormone before putting them into moist potting soil, and then I grew them on my covered porch in full shade for the last 21 days. I watered them every day, and now they're fully rooted into their cells and ready to be planted out into the garden. So if we pull some of the cuttings out of the cells, we can even see by looking at the bottom that they're fully rooted in. This one right here might need a little bit more time, but I'm sure it has some roots on it. So let's pop some of these cuttings out, and then I'll determine whether or not I want to plant them out into the garden or whether I want to give them another week in the cells. So you can see that some of them have put on lateral growth at this point, and we can see the roots popping out of the bottom. So we'll just pop this out of the cell. And so even though it has roots growing out of the bottom, it hasn't really filled the cell yet. So I think what I'm going to do with these cuttings is give them one more week. By that point, I'll start to see roots all around the cell wall. So that's really looking great, really healthy, and I could plant these out into the garden right now. I think, and let's pop this one out. I think what I'm going to do after seeing this is actually give them one more week on my covered porch in the cells to continue to root in. I'm going to do that for the main reason that we're not expecting rain for another 5 days, and I would rather get these into the ground and then let the rain water them in versus having to drag a hose back out here to my raised beds to get them established. I just wanted to give you an update on these cuttings and to show you that in about 2.5 to 3 weeks, you can expect them to be rooted into their cells and ready to be transplanted out into the garden if you want. And I expect these to bloom in about 4 to 5 more weeks. The number one question that I saw is, do I have enough time in my growing season to have these produce flowers? And for me here in South Central PA, I should have enough time. Our first frost is usually listed as the end of October. However, for many, many years, it's been more like late November, so I have plenty of time for these cuttings to still bloom. And even if I just get one bloom out of them, that's great. Ideally, I would like to save the seed from them. That's kind of my goal in this project. So friends, there's our 21-day update on these zinnias grown from cuttings. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you sometime soon. Bye.